Okay, after I've shown you my original poems and some of my original songs in this notebook, take a look at my notebook slowly. This is the notebook where I wrote my original poems and original songs.
That
Okay,
come earlier.
yeah, songs are there. I'll show you the campaign that I have with Amnesty International. Look at this. Take a look. Civilians live in fear in southern Thailand. And then we have here first evictions shatter lives in Zimbabwe. That's from Amnesty International. Here, look at here. That's the newspaper. It's called Amnesty International. And these are the campaigns that they have right now. They have a Guantanamo. They have here an appeal about the Guantanamo detainees abandoned. And we have here Sufi Muslim protesters attacked in Iran. Yeah, Sufi Muslim protesters attacked in Iran. Yeah. Those are the campaigns that Amnesty International have right now. And we have here human rights defenders jailed for seeking redress of grievances. And then here we have here police target lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people in the US city. And we have here trailblazing activism across the Philippines. The Philippines is my home country. There you have here
I know
Philippines.
that.
Okay, and so many more campaigns. In the Philippines, we have here the campaign of Amnesty International in the world awash with weapons. This is about,
Your face is Filipino.
yes, this is about the current campaigns that we have in the Philippines. These are the campaigns that Amnesty International have right now in the Philippines about regulating the use of guns and, of course, uh, the banning of selling of illegal weapons. Okay, and here, okay, those are the campaigns that Amnesty International have right now. Amnesty International is an international human rights organization. It's about helping those people all over the world whose rights have been abused or whose rights have been violated or abused. So it's an important organization, especially for those who believe that democracy should reign all over the world. I believe, I personally believe that,
Wait, Amir.
I peacefully believe that struggling peacefully and lawfully for real, global, and moral
Wait,
democracy
wait, wait.
is a righteous cause. Okay?
Wait a minute. Why is Amnesty International is important?
Amnesty International is an important organization. As I've said, I personally believe that struggling peacefully and lawfully for the cause of real, global, and moral democracy all over the world is a righteous cause. Okay? Uh, Doing human rights work is doing peaceful and lawful struggle for the cause of democracy. Supporting human rights all over the world means supporting democracy in a peaceful and lawful way. So that's why all human rights organizations around the world are all valuable for the promotion of democracy. So that's why Amnesty International is an important organization because it's one of the best known organizations that are involved in the promotion of human rights all over the world. As simple as that, okay? So, if you have time, all of you who are in the internet right now, you could join the campaign of Amnesty International by just logging in or clicking the webpage of Amnesty International. You can type the word amnesty.org, amnesty.org, and then presto. It will appear. The webpage of Amnesty International organizations will appear. Uh, on my own, I have this organization about real global and moral democracy, which is called League of Political Abrogationists. Just click the word political abrogationism in any internet search box that you have right now, and then it will appear. The web page about political abrogationism will appear in front of your eyes. Okay, so click those web pages that I've said or I've mentioned or I've said. Okay, and of course support the campaign to ensure the victory of Barack Obama
Amnesty.
in the coming U.S. presidential election. Okay, support the campaign to ensure the victory of Barack Obama in the coming
How? If we
U.S.
are
presidential election.
Filipinos.
It's easy. You can tell your relatives and friends in the United States to support, back up, and vote for Barack Obama in the
If
coming
we
U.S.
have no
presidential election.
relatives.
We have, okay? We have, okay? That's all. Thanks. Yeah, wait a minute, okay? I'll put this magic thing on my
It's not
ear.
magic.
Yes, it's magic. Look, okay. That would make
Everybody has that.
that would make Barack Obama win in the coming U.S. presidential election. Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.